Hello everyone and welcome back to the PHVendorSquare YouTube channel. So as a vendor, do you ever feel like you are juggling a dozen different tasks all at the same time? You're responding to WhatsApp DMs, you're updating your Instagram status, and you're tracking payments in your notepad. It's enough to make any vendor in Port Harcourt feel so overwhelmed. So what if I told you that there's one single place, your very own mission control, where you could manage your entire online business? That magical place is called your vendor dashboard. And in this episode of our ultimate e-commerce glossary, we are breaking down how exactly to use your vendor dashboard to save you time and grow your sales. So let's dive right in. So what exactly is a vendor dashboard? Think of it as your business headquarters or your digital back office. It's your private and secure portal on a multi-vendor marketplace where you, the vendor, has all the tools you need to run your store. So the vendor dashboard serves as your analytics hub. This is where you see your sales, traffic, and customer data all at a glance. It also serves as your inventory manager where you can add new products and track your stock levels. Your vendor dashboard also serves as your order fulfillment center. This is where you can process and track all your orders all from one place. And lastly, it also serves as your finance department. This is where you can view your earnings, pending payouts, and transaction history. So in summary, the vendor dashboard replaces the entire chaos of multiple apps and notepads with one powerful dashboard. So let's take a quick tour of the sections you will find and why they are so powerful for your business. First, we have the overview or the home screen. This is your at-a-glance view when you log in. You will see your total sales, number of orders, and maybe even a chart showing your performance. It's a daily dose of motivation. Then you have the product management section. This is where the magic starts. Here you can add new products. This is where you upload those amazing photos, write your killer product descriptions, set your price, and manage your inventory. No more losing track of what you have in stock. And then we have the orders section. Say goodbye to missed orders in your DM requests. All your customer purchases come here in a clean, organized list. You can see what needs to be packed, what's ready to ship, and what's already been delivered. You can even print shipping labels right from here. Then we also have the analytics report tab. This is your crystal ball. Analytics tell you what is working. You can see your best selling products, where your customers are coming from, and your conversion rate. This data helps you make smart decisions like which products to restock or promote. Then we have the earnings or payout section. Like they always say, transparency is key. This section shows you exactly how much you've earned minus the marketplace commission. You can see your pending balance and track when your next payout will hit your bank account. No more surprises. So now you know what a vendor dashboard is. How do you now become a dashboard pro? Let's share 3 simple habits you need to adopt. The first tip is to make it your morning ritual. Make it a habit to start your business day by checking your dashboard. Check for new orders, review your sales from yesterday, and plan your day accordingly. This takes you about 2 minutes. The second tip is to keep your inventory fresh. Your dashboard comes with an inventory management structure. Always enable it so that the moment your products are sold out, it automatically deactivates the product. When you sell out an item, make sure you immediately mark it as out of stock. And when you get a new stock, always update its quantity. This behavior helps to build trust online. On PHVendorSquare, you can activate stock control so the product disappears from the marketplace once it goes out of stock. And the third tip is to be a data detective. Once in a week, always make sure you dive into your data analytics. Ask yourself questions like, which product did I sell the most? Which is my best-selling product? Where did my traffic come from? Use these clues to double down on what's working for you. So that's it on the vendor dashboard. The vendor dashboard is not just a tool, it's the foundation of building a scalable and professional business. It takes you from being a hustler, juggling a million tasks at once, to a CEO who is in full control. So now I know that making a transition from DMs to a dashboard may feel new and different, but you don't have to figure that out all alone. I want to personally invite you to our PHVendorSquare Discord server. It's a free, amazing community where you can ask questions, share your dashboard wins, get advice from other vendors, and learn from our experts. We have dedicated channels just for helping you master your dashboard. The link is waiting for you in the description box below. So what are you waiting for? Embrace your new command center today. Go log into your dashboard and explore one new feature, and come and tell us about it on Discord. Don't forget to like this video if it helps you, and subscribe to this channel for more educational tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.